Telephone scams are prolific, and it's all too easy to fall prey to them. Many pretend to be calling from your bank and ask you to provide them with your bank account details as a security check. Please don't. Your bank will never ask you to relay this information to them over the phone. It's quick and easy to download the Purple Angels ringtone as a handy reminder of this. Go to the settings on your phone, then select General, then Software Update. Go to the Files app and navigate to your Downloads folder. Open the GarageBand app on your phone, completing any initial setup as prompted. Scroll down to Downloads folder and select Downloads folder. Select and hold the icon Ringtone for iPhones. Select Share. Select Ringtone. Select Continue. Select Export. Select Use Sound As. Select Standard Ringtone.